Hi to all TM lovers, this video will lead you to remove the blackheads in the gentle best way without enlarging the pores. We've got dual cotton swabs with an extractor, a Blackhead Out soap for the deep cleansing, and Blackhead Out Sheet, and a tweezer. Use a tweezer to pick up, and before you put on, you see the cut line here? It needs to tear off like this. Stick it onto the nose like this, or fold it various ways to stick onto the nose perfectly. Let me give you some tips for more benefits while we're waiting 10 minutes. Tip 1. Steam to open the pores and soften the blackheads. While it's on, wrapping is better to avoid the dryness or double it more benefits. Tip 2. Feel free to use on cheeks, chin, and middle of the eyebrows. Time's up! Let's see. Oh my goodness! Ew! Can you see that? They all came out in melted foams. Use the Blackhead Out soap to lightly wash off the remaining blackhead and sebaceous filaments. It's better if using the facial cleansing brush. Ooh, look at that full of blackheads. Now it's so clean, they all went out. Melt and remove in 10 minutes. Try TM.